Hello everyone, welcome to FinTalks. In this video, I am going to explain another 3 more golden rules of investing that will help you in your financial planning and also to double your money. The first rule is rule of 100 minus your age. This rule will help you to understand to know how much amount you can invest in equity market and how much you can invest in debt market. For example, your age is 25 years. 100 minus 25 equal to 75. So now you can invest 75% of your money in equity market, equity securities, and the remaining 25% you can invest in debt market, debt securities giving fixed interest. For example, if your age is 45, then 100 minus 45 equal to 55. In this here, you can invest 55% in equity market and the remaining 45% you can invest in debt market. So according to this principle, this rule, the more older you are, you will become a risk averse and the investment in equity market, that is high risk, will be reduced and investment in debt market is increasing. Rule number 2 is 10-5-3. This rule will help you to understand how much returns you can expect from the various investment alternatives available in the market. For example, if you invest in high risky securities like equity market, you can expect an average rate of return of 10%. If you invest in medium moderate risky securities like a debt market, debt securities, you can expect an average rate of return of 5%. If you invest in low risk securities, that is cash deposit in banks, you can expect an average rate of return of 3%. If you apply this rule along with rule of 72, which I was explained in my previous videos, then you will understand in how many years your investment amount will be double. And the last third rule is rule of 50-30-20. This rule will help you to know how much your income earnings will be distributed for various requirements. So according to this rule, 50% of your earnings must be spent for your needs like house rent payment, groceries, education, health insurance, etc. 30% of your earnings should be spent for your wants like outside dinners, movies, tours, etc. And the remaining 20% of your earnings must go for savings. If you apply these rules in your financial planning, investment planning, definitely you will become a successful investor soon. If this information is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.